She first became a star decades ago. And Nicole Scherzinger demonstrated her enduring feel for glamour when she was spotted stepping out in Los Angeles this weekend. The 43-year-old singer, who shot to fame in the Pussycat Dolls in the 1990s, was seen modeling a sleek canary yellow trouser suit. Her ensemble was perfectly fitted to her enviably statuesque frame, which she flaunted even further with a plunging white top. Letting her luxurious dark hairdo down, she accentuated her unmistakable features with makeup for her latest night on the town. Nicole, who was born in Honolulu, added a splash of dazzle to her leggy look by popping on a subtle pair of earrings. She was enjoying an excursion to Catch LA, which opened on Melrose Avenue in 2016 and shortly thereafter became known as a celebrity hot spot. Although the Pussycat Dolls broke up in 2010, they reunited in 2019 and plan to go on tour together the following year. However, the coronavirus pandemic arrived and instigated delay after delay, until last month Nicole finally announced the tour had been cancelled. Nicole broke the news on Instagram, where she blamed the cancellation on the ever-evolving circumstances surrounding the pandemic. Carmet Bacher and Jessica Sutta, two of her fellow Pussycat Dolls, then claimed in a joint statement that they learned the tour was off through Nicole's post. "We want to say how incredibly disappointed we are to learn of an announcement made on Instagram that the Pussycat Dolls reunion tour is cancelled," they wrote, adding pointedly, "As of now, there has been no official notification of that."